The city of Valencia is the location of an exceptional environment project. Discovering new energy resources from the kitchen. Used vegetable oil is recycled into fuel, giving waste a new value. The ECOBUS, a Spanish pilot project in Valencia with the support of the European Commission through its Life Environment Programme. Thousands of litres of vegetable oil are used in Mediterranean kitchens every week. If dumped into the sewage system, the oil increases the rat population and jeopardizes the quality of coastal seawater. Some 800 restaurants in Valencia now collect their used oil for the ECOBUS project. This new collection system ensures that used oil is neither dumped indiscriminately nor illegally processed into animal food, but instead recycled as biofuel for the Municipal Bus Service of Valencia, EMT. Every month, approximately 90,000 litres of used vegetable oil are collected. This figure is expected to increase to 600 tonnes in the final phases of the project, leading to environmental improvements and a better lifestyle for citizens of Valencia. This is a real pioneer project, because on the one hand we prevent oil from polluting the sewage system, which causes ecological problems in the sea. On the other hand, this European pilot project produces biodiesel fuel, and although this already exists on the market, what we do is to create this fuel in a unique way and use it for public transport in the city. One important question: how do bus engines digest used vegetable oil? Experts at the city's transport company and the Polytechnic University of Valencia tested different mixtures of the biodiesel fuel. The results? Less air pollution and continued high engine performance. There are already 3 new plants for the production of biofuel, and more are in the planning phase. So, we think that within the European Commission's framework of using alternative energy sources for transport, biofuel will play an important role. The Transport Company of Valencia is heading this development. 270 buses already run on biofuel derived from used vegetable oil. That is 2/3 of the entire fleet, much higher than the initial forecast. Generalizing the use of biodiesel in the future is a priority of the EMT and the Valencia City Council. Citizens of Valencia benefit from the ECOBUS initiative because pollution is diminished thanks to the use of biodiesel. The development of alternative energies has to move forward, basically for ecological reasons, but also because of economic factors such as high oil prices. All this encourages us to study new alternatives. To win the support of the Valencian people, an information campaign complements the ECOBUS project. The transport company aims to increase awareness of the environmental issue, handing out baby olive trees and leaflets to citizens. Future oil reserves may very well be in the kitchens of private households. I think it's a great idea, a good way to save energy and recycle used oil. Great. Me, of course. I collect my oil at home and save it for this project. The EU LIFE project has discovered a new source of energy, turning waste into value. Thousands of litres of used vegetable oil are now fueling a fantastic idea, the ECOBUS project. With citizen support, the environment is being protected. Alternative energy sources are being promoted for sustainable development in a modern European city.